Hi everyone. One of the most important features of our tool ComVisit.in is to help you share your information with the world, and you can even customize it through menus, events, galleries, links. The most important or central part of the restaurant is the menu. So in this tutorial I'll teach you how to create custom menus. So I have these previously created menus, so let me create a new menu. So let me create a menu for veg starters. I have all the information stored in a Word document. You can even directly type it here. So let me just name it veg starters. So first step is to create a menu. Next step is to add items to the menu. So I'll click on the newly added menu saying veg starters, and let me add item here. So I'll have aloo mint kebabs. I'll probably price it at 15, and just like in homepage, every time you save it, it gets saved to the database and you can see the changes. I can even edit it here like this. So say I want to increase the price, I made 25. So this is the various items in the menu. I can even add other items. Quickly let me add gobi achari for 20. So it's really painful to create it for the first time, but after you have created all the menu, it's as simple as editing it. So let me go back. Now if you see, I have two veg starters. So let me delete one, because I don't want to confuse the users. We have a screenshot here to help you the various steps on creating a menu. The first is to create a menu, just like I did veg starters. Then the second is to click on it and add items to it, and the third step is to publish it on the website. So now I'll publish it to the website and I'll see the new veg starters along with the other menus. So I click on the menu, and if you see, this is the veg starters which I added, and these are the various descriptions I have. So see, I have a description saying something sweet to finish with. So say I want to make change here. So how will I do that? Let me go back to the web. So this is the dessert. So let me make edit here. So this is something sweet to finish with after your meal. By the way, if you have any doubts, you can also go to this help section and read about it. So I have saved it here, and let me just refresh it and see my changes will be reflected here. Something sweet to finish with after your meal, and these are the prices. So we learned about how to create your menu, how to put information. You can even change the order. So say I want veg starter to occur before non-veg starter, I can do this. Say I want to have the salad before the soup, I can do that. And if I go back, I'll see the changes being saved here. So now I have the dessert, the veg starter, the soup, and the main course happening like this. This is the order I have, correct? So you can play around with these and have it. Next step is to create events. Events are really important for the restaurant, and they help draw more crowds. So let me create an event. So I want to create on a food festival which is happening. I can even have images associated with my. So the first step is to click on this tab saying new events, and then I have to give the name. Just like you have a menu name, you have event name, and this is the description. So let me tell the users what this is all about, and time probably from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Then location is my restaurant, and let me choose the date, say the 14th of August, and you can even upload images based on the things, but for now we won't, but you can have your own event images. So if I go down, this is the event I created. So this will give a calendar view, so I can go back and even make changes here. So say I want to have a food festival for a longer time, so I want to make it to 11 p.m. and I want this to start a bit late, say at 11 a.m. so I can do that, and every time you submit it'll be saved to the database. So let me go back and see the changes done in the event section. So now you will see a new tab, events happening, and this is the what I entered and this is the location. By the way, they have the address of the restaurant over here so they can find it out. Next is the gallery. So for creating images you have to have a Flickr account. That's your Yahoo account. So every time you log into Yahoo you can have this information. And why this important is because you just need the username and set name. We don't need the password. So after you give us the username and a set name and upload all the images for the restaurant in the set, you can share it with the world. So I have already created an account for Come Visit with this username, and I have all the images saved in REST 1. So let me just save here. But yeah, you have to first integrate it in Flickr and upload all the images, then only you will be able to give the username and the set name. So after I go back here, let me go to the gallery section, and you'll be able to see all the images which are there in the particular set. So these are the images which are there in your particular set. So this is the Barbecue Hut restaurant and all the images which are there. So it's really easy. All I need is the username and the set name. So Flickr lets you create different sets and you can put lots of images in particular set, and this screenshot is going to help you. The next step is to create custom links. So I have created 2 custom links. Let me delete one and probably we can recreate one. So I create a link, say Bernard Hotels. This is a hotel link, and then I can type for let me save it. It's just like any other. Every time you save it, it gets saved in the database. You see the information, and then I go back to my site Barbecue Hut, and let me go in the link section. I should have 2 links. Bernard Hotels, this is the description, and this is the national. So let me go here and it should take me to a external website. Then we can also create custom pages for your site. So we have the status saying whether it's visible or not visible. So let me just go here and let me just make this hide and save it. So now if you go back, you won't be able to see this loyalty link, right? That was a custom link which I created. Now let me create another page or link, as they say. So I go to review, and this is a page, this is a link for reviews, and I want to show this. And how do I go? This is the body of the page, so you can even cut, copy, paste. I'm just typing it. So now if I go back to the website, I should see a custom header saying reviews, and then this is the website, yelp.com. But I don't want to confuse users because I already have a review over here. This is for people to leave information, so let me delete this. So let me make the status as hide, and let me make this as visible so that this is seen. And same way, after I make the changes, click on save, I refresh, I can see the loyalty custom page. So how it works is every time you make changes, you click on save and then you click on publish, and then be able to save information and it'll be seen for all the visitors to your websites. So in this tutorial we learned about how to create a menu, how to create events, galleries, links. Hopefully ComeVisit will help you draw more customers to your website, and any feedback you have, please feel free to email us at info@comevisit.in. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Bye.